Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. And one of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock, or FRP, security feature on an Android device. It's something that Google initiated back in Android 5 to where when a device is factory reset without first taking off the account that's on it, it's then going to be locked to that account and ask for that login again after the reset has been performed. Now here with us today, we happen to have a Galaxy S10 from Samsung. And this is a device that does have the Google Lock enabled. As we're going through the setup process here, we can see that we come to a screen that says that the device was reset and specifically asks for the previous account that was on the device. So basically, that account is the only one that will let us through the rest of the setup, and no other Google account can be used. But we're making this video to let all of our customers know that we do offer a service to be able to remove this lock from this device here without needing the login for that previous account. It's something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer. We've actually already done 99% of the work already. So all we have to do here is one restart to the device, and then after that we should be able to see that we can get all the way through the setup process without seeing that lock. So after it's restarting here, we're going to let it finish booting up, and then we're just going to start going through the setup process. So we have to agree to terms and conditions, and then we don't need Wi-Fi, so we can just skip that. And then talk about activating the device, but I know that we don't need to do that, so we can just skip that too. We're going to skip that, and we're going to skip Google services. And this is a good sign because we were never able to see any of these options previously when the lock was enabled. And we're going to skip that, and then we're going to skip the Samsung account. And there we go, we're all finished. We're at the home screen now. We have full access to all the apps and settings. And if we go ahead and take a look in the settings section, there we go. Under accounts, we can see that there is no account currently on the device. Once that notification goes away. Okay, so there's no account on the device. It's not tied to any Google account anymore, and any Google account can now be added to the phone. And then just to show you exactly what we're working with here, if we go under the About section, we can see that we are indeed here working with an S10 with the US model number there of the G973U. So if you have a Galaxy S10 and need help getting the Google account lock off of it, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all the information there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.